Hey yo, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up guys? What's up, good? Bitaw guys. Today's video, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-delete ng mga violations. Paano nga ba mag-delete ng mga violations? Meron kasi nag-comment guys na na-delete na daw niya lahat ng mga violation niya sa Facebook, sa kanyang profile at sa kanyang Facebook page. Pero sa kasawiang palad, bitaw guys, di raw lahat na-delete guys. Meron pa rin daw guys. Kaya gumawa ako ng video kung paano nga ba ang tamang pag-delete ng mga violations, restrictions, copyright claim, spamming, etc. etc. Para sa ganun ay matulungan ko kayo sa Facebook Reels journey nyo guys. Wow! So wag na natin to patagalin guys. Tapusin nyo lang yung video guys hanggang sa dulo para malaman nyo ha. Okay, so come on, let's go! Okay, magandang araw. Sundan nyo lang itong hugis kamay guys. Ito yung pointers ko guys. So, let's proceed. Okay. Click nyo yung Facebook. Yan. Tapos, makikita nyo dyan. May tatlong linya sa profile nyo. Yan, click nyo yan. Click nyo yung support inbox. Tapos nyo maklik ang support inbox, makikita nyo dyan ang your alerts. Click mo yung your alerts, okay. Dyan guys sa your alerts, kung mapapansin nyo, meron your video has new copyright update to review. Yan yung ating i-delete guys. As in, totally remove guys. Lahat yan guys, yan nakikita mo sa your alerts. I-delete natin yan lahat guys. So, let's proceed. Okay, click natin yan guys. Sundan nyo lang guys ha. Dyan, see details, click nyo yan. Yang continue na yan. Lahat ng may continue guys, continue nyo lang guys ha. Okay guys, dito guys, makikita nyo. Dyan, merong what would you like to do. Yan. Mayroong accept changes, submit dispute, remove video. Yan guys, click nyo yung remove video guys. Nakalagay remove the video from your post. Yan, click nyo yan. Okay, continue nyo lang guys. Click nyo yung continue guys. Okay, proceed tayo. Yan, nakikita nyo yan, delete video. Pindutin nyo yan guys, delete video. Okay yan guys, your video was removed. The issue is resolved and no further action is needed. Click nyo yung close. Okay, tapos back. Balik tayo sa ating menu. Okay, sa ibaba, hanapin natin yung support inbox. Yan, pindutin nyo yan. Yan guys, sa your alerts. As you can see guys, hindi pa rin nawala yung violation mo guys. Yan, meron pa rin. Okay oh, tingnan mo yan guys oh. Continue mo yan guys. Yan, continue mo. Remove video. Tingnan nyo guys ha. Kahit na-delete na natin guys, your video was removed, di pa rin nawawala guys. Okay ha, tingnan natin dito. Balik tayo sa ating menu, sa support inbox, sa your alerts. Click mo yung your alerts. Okay. Oh, as you can see guys, andito pa rin guys yung mga violation. Kaya ang gagawin natin guys, babalik tayo sa ating menu. Yan, click mo ang menu, yung may tatlong linya. Okay. Yan, click mo yan. Tapos punta tayo sa ating settings. Hanapin natin yan, settings. Yan, sa ibaba guys, hahanapin natin yung sa may your information dito guys oh. Yan, activity log. Yan, as you can see guys, dito sa activity log, mayroong archive, dito may trash at activity history. Pindutin natin yung trash. Yan guys oh. Okay guys, as you can see, mayroong all dyan. Okay, pindutin mo yung all. Tapos may tatlong dot guys. Dalawang violation ko dyan. Iisahin natin yan. Delete natin yan lahat. Okay ha, sundan nyo lang guys ha. Yan, pindutin nyo yan. Okay, delete nyo. May delete sa ibaba. Click nyo yung delete na yan. Okay, saka delete. Okay, hintayin natin guys kasi mahina yung wifi sa kapitbahay. O yun oh, yan. 3 dots again. Delete natin. Tapos delete. Okay, hintayin natin saglit para, oh yan oh. Wala nang ano guys, so wala nang violation. No items na ibig sabihin, wala nang violation. Para mas sigurado guys, balik tayo sa ating menu. Yan, pindutin nyo yan. Balik tayo sa ating menu. Activity log. Balik tayo muna sa ating menu. Yan, pindutin mo yan. Okay. Tapos, support inbox. Your alerts. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Ito ngayon ang problema ng mga nagre-reels. Di nila alam kung paano tanggalin to. Ang nakalagay, basahin natin guys ha. Your post includes information that was checked by independent fact checkers. November 15, 2021. Kahit ako di ko alam kung anong ibig sabihin nito. Pero kahit ganun pa man, tatanggalin din natin yan. Okay, so let's proceed. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, hanapin natin yung settings. Sana ba yung settings? Yan, yung settings. Tapos sa settings dito hahanapin natin yung ano nga ba yun? Yun, your information. And then click nyo yung activity log. Yan guys. Ngayon guys, kanina yung trash yung pinindot natin. Ngayon dito naman tayo sa may public post. As you can see, mayroong public post, public tags, story, activity, and page. Click nyo yung public post guys. Yan. Tapos dito na natin makikita yung ating mga pinupost yung mga post natin noon. Yan. Hahanapin natin yung ano ba yon? November 15, 2021. November 15, 2021 ba yun? Basta hahanapin natin yun guys. Hahanapin natin yung November. Yan, November 15, 2021. Then, trash nyo yan guys. Click nyo yung move to trash. Yan, click nyo yan guys. Then, yan, may move to trash. Click nyo yan. Ang dami move to trash. Yan guys, wait natin saglit guys ha. Balik tayo sa post. Tignan natin guys ha, kung na-delete talaga yun. Okay, balik tayo dito. Support inbox. Sa ating menu yan guys ha. Yan, support inbox. Dito sa ating support inbox, your alerts. Wag dyan. Yan, your alerts. Oh, tignan nyo guys. Diba wala na? Yan. Ang dali lang guys. Sana makatulong itong video na to guys. Thank you for watching. Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Babush!